So here with the LG G8 ThinQ, I'm going to try unlock it with my hand. So it's been for demo, every single hand has been registered. In other words, it will unlock no matter what hand is here. So you can see it works. It's just in this sort of situation, it's a little bit just trying to get you in a different angle. As you can see, sometimes can be temporary. It depends on the distance. I would say a little bit further up. In terms of launching apps, you can set 2 separate apps straight from the home screen. So if we just go up over here, it'll pick up with that little sort of indication up there. So you have to be a little further up, and then if I just...
Don't worry.
It's always great when it doesn't work. There you go. So you see the distance is I'm quite far away. I would say about 15 centimeters away. And so now let's just try and go into YouTube. And so you can do the same thing over here. And I can play and pause YouTube videos like so. So LG kind of marketed this as something that you could use as a hands-free in the car. I think I would struggle to use this in the car as hands-free because I have to be really paying attention still to that screen and waiting for it to actually pick up my hand. I guess the more you use it, obviously it's just a hands-on, but the more you use it, it'll be easier to get to grips with. And finally, you can adjust the volume, as you can probably hear on that phone going on. But if you go up and kind of do a rotating sort of function, it's going to adjust the volume simply with air gestures. Not something we've seen that's new. You've seen this in car technology before. Mercedes has it, VW have it. You kind of adjust it with your hand motions. Same sort of principle with the G8. In terms of the other specs, well, you've got them all over here. I'll post them down in the description below. The phone itself is very glossy, as you can see, loads of fingerprint marks all over the place. There's a rear physical fingerprint sensor, a triple camera lens at the back with a flash. They've maintained a 3.5mm jack, which is great to see. LG says their commitment to a high-res audio. There's USB-C jack underneath as well. And other than that, you've got the power button on the right-hand side and a volume rocker on the left with a dedicated button that you can use. So let's just unlock it again.
And you can also...
And if you press it, it's a Google Assistant button on the side as well. And that pretty much is it. It's just my first sort of hands-on with the device. Seems to work every now and then, but I think you have to just get used to it. So there we go.